Good morning, everyone. This is the ODWO channel, YouTube. It's a Wednesday morning, December 1st. Well, November went out with a bang. At least it did for me. Yesterday I lost $1,000. I didn't get a video of it, but actually I had somewhat of a video, but it would have been about an hour and a half video because I chased it and make a little bit, but I'd lose it again. Just was not the best day for me. So, having said that, I figured today, looking at it, December 1st, they said Powell, Fed Chairman, was speaking this morning, but I couldn't find any YouTube videos on it of live broadcast. But of course, I got that information from a link, which didn't find anything about it. Anyway, today I made no trades. I did record it, but it was, like I said, an hour and a half. Again, actually an hour and a half. Yeah, it's 10 o'clock our time. Of just me flipping charts back and forth. What I saw was, like, here's the Moderna, mRNA. Nothing but a range here. It just kind of broke out, but a little breakout high, but not much there. I mean, you're either chasing retracements, maybe Fibonacci even, but that's Moderna. If you look at Roblox, another one I had on my list, right about here is 830. Notice there's hardly any volume, and all of a sudden it picked up, but then again, nothing, just ratchet back and forth, up and down, seesaw. And we finally get a breakout here. Of course, I'm not trading at this time. Another one I was looking at was Tesla. Always watch Tesla. Opening range, right about here. Up and down, up and down. We get a little bit of a break here. That might have been for a little bit, but of course you'd have to wait almost a full hour just to get that quick move. Then up, down, and now it's pulling back in. Figure from about here to here is nothing but half back area, probably be about right here where the VWAP is, and that's just kind of, it's not much of a day is what I see. What else did I looking at? Apple actually finally took off. I almost got into it when it broke out here, but no, it's amazing how cheap those options are too. But a little consolidation, and then of course down we go, get the weak hands, and just slowly come out of it right there. I like my day being done. Here's Nvidia right here. Starts the day up, down. We finally have maybe a little something could have been gotten there. Up, down, just range bound right here, right now. I think another one I looked at was also Netflix. Well, again, starts here. Probably got something if you were quick and looking at it, actually physically looking at it, not getting an alert. Up it goes, and back down, and finally a little break. Kind of fakes you here, and then away it goes. So as you can see, I just pretty much didn't waste my time. Like I said, I recorded this, but all it is would be me changing screens. So with that, maybe tomorrow, December, with the holidays coming, historically, November has not been a bad month, and around Thanksgiving because of the holidays, but this year was a different year, that's for sure. I'm kind of thinking about the same thing Christmas time, unless, of course, our economy just wants us to have a down Christmas. Everybody's saving their money or not going out, or COVID, or who knows what they're doing. I hope everybody's being safe. I am, and I wear a mask, whether people like it or not. But I do it because it doesn't matter if you have your shots, you can still get COVID. In fact, from what I'm guessing, people who have their shots are also a high chance of getting it again. So between boosters and now what they're saying every year, a COVID shot. My God, I get a flu shot, just a regular influenza, one and done, and I'm happy about it. Anyway, with all this, hope your day was good, and if you had a green day, I salute you, because right here's my day. Zip, zero, and that's it. With that, pull it back here to Tesla, so when Tesla does come back up tomorrow, when I boot up everything, we'll see what it brings. There's a lot of range I also noticed in those charts when you look at a daily chart. In fact, there's a video, I'm not going to take too much longer here. There's a video by Peter Resnicek on shadowtrader.net. His latest. In fact, I want to find that. Oh, I am not going to be able to do it this way. But his latest video that he puts out on the weekend is really good about how he looks for it using the Fangman Plus T, which is Tesla on T, of those stocks and how he plays with the options. And I thought it was really good. Again, I don't get anything from him. I don't subscribe to anything that he does. Not that I don't want to, but I'm not to that point to do some of the option strategies he does. Right now, I just scalp. But if you get a chance, go listen to him. That's shadowtrader.net, Peter Resnicek. Look it up on YouTube. And his weekly, if you nothing else, just subscribe to that. And you're going to get all kinds of interesting perspective about the week behind and the week ahead and what he's thinking, and it's great. And every now and then he puts out like a free week of stuff that he talks about during the week. It'd be after the fact, but it's just him talking of the day. In a way, that is a plug for him. But he's very good at what he does. And again, he's a prodigy of Jim Dalton, who's another one of my mentors along the way. Anyway, I hope you're having a good day. I hope you have a good tomorrow and the rest of the week. And as the holiday season does come upon us, what's the reason for the season? Well, of course, it's the eggnog, right? But truthfully, give thanks for everything you have. If you're a spiritual person, give thanks, say prayers for everything's going to work out, especially in this world today. But having said all that, just going to kind of slowly knock off here in the music. And have a good evening, y'all. We'll see you next time.